My name is Santi Damayanti, and I would like to present the major factors that affect bank performance. First of all, I would like to the outline of this presentation is introduction, previous research, methodology, result. The introduction, bank performance bank play essential role to the health and stability of economy due to their role as intermediate role. Therefore, formulate the major factors that affect bank performance is important to the deposit and bank institution itself. Depositor need the bank performance because by analyzing the bank performance, they will be able to get more and reliable information about the Therefore, the main objective of this study are to identify the major factors affecting performance of commercial. Several previous research in bank sector were conducted. First of all, the Bertrand and Kevin in 2003 examined the performance of Swiss bank from 1998 to 1999. Using a broad definition of bank output, they found evidence of large relative cost and profit inefficiency in Swiss bank. A more narrow definition that focus on only traditional activities lead to efficiency estimates that are even lower. They also find evidence of economy of scale for small and mid-sized banks, but little evidence that significant scale economic remain for the very largest bank. Finally, evidence on scope economies in weak for the largest bank that are involved in a wide variety of financial activity. Taken together, these results suggest few obvious benefits from the trend toward larger universal bank of Switzerland. The second research conducted by Sanjay B. Bayani in 2006 in his paper called Performance of the New Indian Private Sector Bank, a Corporate Study, analyzed the performance of private sector bank through the help of the Camel model. The finding of the study revealed that the aggregate performance of IDBI is the best among all the banks, followed by UTI. At the end of the study, author made ranking factor which more influence of bank performance. According to his ranking, net non-performing loan to total asset is the most influences to the Indian bank's performance, and the other are the net interest margin, capital adequacy ratio, and loan to deposit respectively. And the next research on bank conducted by Okpara in 2009, he determined the major factors that influence the banking system in Nigeria, and the result is a major factor that influence the bank in Nigeria is political crisis, undercapitalization, and fraudulent practice are the most critical factors that impact the performance of banking system in Nigeria. And the other research conducted by Sufyan in 2009 investigate the determination of bank profitability in developing economy, case study in Malaysia, period in 2000 and 2004. The results show that higher credit risk and higher loan concentration Malaysia bank face lower profitability level. On the contrary, Malaysian bank with higher level of capitalization, higher income from non-interest sources, and higher operation expense face higher profitability level. From the several previous research, the author conclude that the variable affecting bank performance are 23 variables. The first variable is the number of banks in the market and regulation to establish new branches. The second variable, relationship between Indonesia Bank and international bank lend fund in foreign country. Third variable, competition of foreign ownership bank. The fourth is variety of service provided by bank. The fifth, global financial crisis. Sixth, borrower fund from bank in foreign countries. The seventh, bank operation cost. The eighth variable is net charge of loan. Ninth variable is competition from tax exempt organization. 10 variable is government regulation. 11 variable is religion belief. 12 variable is GDP per capita. 13 variable, size and duration of loan. Next is economic growth, size and duration of deposit, development of stock market and its regulation, competition of Islamic bank, concentration in lending activity, bank capital and its capital structure, bank size measured by total asset, competition of non-financial institution, economic condition, and the last one is the methodology of this study is combine both internal and external factors affecting commercial bank in Indonesia. This study add new variable, which is religion belief, to our study, which has not been used before in the previous study. Since the research is conducted in a country with high Muslim population, religion is a primary variable in our study that must not be neglected. This study depends on factor analysis technique, use principal component analysis or PCA, which is a statistical measure used to replace a large set of variables by a smaller set of factors that consider the top representation of the larger set. This study and the result of this study is the result in this study shown by table 1 of total variance explained. Based on the table 1, after analyzing the whole variable in each factor, the author found that this factor explained 86% from total variance. The variance was distributed among these following 6 factors. The first factor explained 22.9% from total variance. The second factor explained 20.9%. The third factor explained 14.5%. The fourth factor explained 10.9%. The fifth factor 9.5%, and finally the last factor explained 7.5%. And the table 2 show that the first factor, which we call it bank characteristic, include the most important variable, respectively variable 20, 15, 13, 18, 8, 19, and 7. The second factor, which called the competition environment, include the second most important variable, respectively variable 4, 3, 17, 21, and 9. The third factor, which we call it the economic indicator, include the third most important variable, respectively variable 12, 14, 5, and 22. The fourth factor, which we call it regulation and legal environment, include the fourth most important variable, respectively variable 1, 10, and 16. The fifth factor, which we call it country risk, include the fifth most important variable, respectively variable 6 and 2. Lastly, the final factor, which we call it other factor, include the 6 more important variable, respectively variable 11 and 20. The first factor, bank characteristic, which is shown by this table, is considered the most important variable in this study. contains 7 variables ranked based on their commonality. Bank size was the most important variable and bank operating cost was the least important variable in this fact. The second factor, the competition environment, which is shown by this table, consider the second most important variable in this study, contain 5 variables ranked according to their commonalities. Variety of service provided by bank was the most important variable and competition from the tax-exempt organization was the least important variable in this fact. The third factor, which called the economic indicator, shown by this table, which is considered the third most important variable in the study, contains 4 variables ranked according to their commonalities. GDP per capita was the most important variable and the economic condition was the least important. And the fourth variable, which called regulation and legal environment, shown by this table, consider the fourth most important variable in the study, contain 3 variables ranked according to their commonalities. The number of banks in the market and regulation to establish new branches was the most important variable, and the development of stock market and its regulation the least important variable in this fact. The fifth factor, which is called country risk, shown by this table, consider the fifth most important variable in the study, contain 2 variables ranked according to their commonalities. Borrow fund from bank in foreign country was the most important variable, and the relationship Indonesian bank and international bank lend fund in foreign country is the least important variable in this fact. And last is the sixth factor, which called other factors, shown by this table. Consider the 6 most important variable in the study, contain 2 variables ranked according to their commonalities. Religion belief was the most important variable in this, and awareness of bank performance is the least important variable in this factor. Finally, the conclusion of this study is bank performance. Finally, the conclusion of this study is, after analyze using a PCA method from 23 variables and extract them, we have 6 factors based on important to bank performance. The first one is bank characteristic, and then competition environment, economic indicator, regulation and legal environment, country risks, and other factors. These all factors should consider for the bank performance. And thank you for the attention.